There are two methods we'll explore today. The first one involves using the Services MMSC utility, and the second method uses the Windows Registry Editor. Let's get started. Press the Windows key on your keyboard, and in the search bar, type Services. You should see Services in the search results. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator to open the Services application. Scroll down in the Services window until you find Windows Update. Double-click on it to open the Properties window. In the Startup Type drop-down menu, select Disabled. This will prevent Windows from automatically checking for and installing updates. Click Apply to save the changes, and then click OK to close the Properties window. You've successfully disabled Windows updates using the Services MSC utility. Now, let's explore the second method, which involves using the Windows Registry Editor. To begin, open the Start menu, and in the search bar, type regedit. Click on Registry Editor to open it. Navigate to HK Local Machine, Software, Policies, Microsoft, Windows. Right-click on the Windows folder and hover over the New option. Then click on Key to create a new registry key. Name this new key as Windows Update. Now, right-click on the Windows Update key you just created and create another key within it. Hover over New and select Key. This new key should be named AU. In the right side panel, right-click on any empty space, hover over New and choose D-Word 32-bit value. Rename this newly created value to NoAutoUpdate. Finally, double-click on the NoAutoUpdate value and set its data to 1 inch in order for the changes to take effect. To ensure the changes take effect, restart your computer. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and stay in control of your Windows updates.